Pimple. Hi guys. Mele ngibe Chinese. I think ngiyathanda amehlo ama-China kanje. Ngithi qa. Ngithi bangenze i-facelift. Angithi. Mele bangenze i-facelift yasibayezi. Kanje. Yabona le facelift le eyenziwa excuse me, i-new install. Kanje. So right. Yeah. Ngibe China. Sengicabangile. Kuze ngicela bengidonse la basinya encane la. Bangidonse kanje. Mase ngibe China kanje. Yeah. Let's see the manicure. I don't have nails on. You can't have nails on. Okay, it's just this one. You can't have nails on. Mom, you're into surgery, so honey. Sup, babe? Ngiphi imali? Eish, nami anginayo yo. Nami ngibroken. Broke and broken. Your life was being screen recorded earlier and I do not care. Bakit. I mean, I'm used to that. People always do it. They always do that. You have no gigs today. No. I don't have gigs. Ngibhedi on a budget. Ngishilo nje. Chazelile. Ngithi ngibhedi on a budget. Kodwa ngifuna ukuba eChina. I know that because ngifuna ukuthi wow. Ngithi kanje. Aningeke ngofelo. Aningeke. Guys, stop. Like, stop it. Where did you buy your couch? Oh, ish. Ngizama ukucabanga yazi. Ngikhohliwe. Ngizobheka. And also, I can't ask that other friend because we are no bears. But it's totally say 4 ways. 4 ways more. You unbraided so quickly. Yeah. Where's the savannah, Cindy? Angikwazi ukuphuza, guys. I can't drink. Excuse me. Why you change your hairstyle fast kanje? Ngoba ngiyabhoreka. Bese ngibhorekile. I'm not doing anything on my face. I haven't ever tried touching my face. I'm still trying to see what can I do on my face, but not too much because I already have fat lips. So I can't really get lip fillers or else I can't do that. My nose, it's not perfect, but it's good. I like this nose. This nose is just good. Maybe I could just get some Botox. And just to fill in these gaps here. Why are you live? Hi, boy. Let me save you some time, guys. And wow. Ooh, I don't wanna jump. Wanna jump. Nah. Hi, bo. I don't want to really jump. Siniyangijwayele. AmaXhosa are waiting for you. Eastern Cape izoza nini sin? Ningilinde nani bo babs? J. Oh, wanna jump. Jump. Guys, did you see my latest video? Like, I am fat. And I am not going to the gym. Okay, I'll go to the gym to maintain after this surgery. I promise this is my last surgery. It's true. This is my last surgery. But now, I like, October, November. Years and a so kulo 3 months lo. Mele ngenze sure ukuthi ngiba sexy. Yo. Years birthday I'm on November, so I need to be marvelous. Like I need to look good. Like I need to look good. Hawe mang block umuntu wrong, Jesu. You always say that. No, I've never said this. How? I've never said that. I have never said that. But I gained some weight. Like, serious weight. Gimblockile lo. Lapo some of us think your body is perfect. That time I gained so much weight. Oh my god. I think after my surgery, manje, if ngingena I'm just gonna take the Dr. Pets, I can just take the Ozempic. Is it Ozempic? Yeah, I can use those injections to not gain weight. Yeah, you gain weight being it to meat. Umuz. Nope. Could never be me though. I gained weight, so I'm like, child, this is not, no. Angizwani no gain weight. And inkinga amathanga avele abe mangakanani. But azowehla manje because after surgery njalo I lose weight. It's very stressful lento yama-surgery, hey? Angimbona uMelody yazi. Usebuyile futhi lo Melody wayizolo ne? Uyena? So. Yo, guys, please do not take Ozempic. Why? Actually, I have to do my research about it also, or ngibe kulokonjani ku TikTok uzongitshela yonke into. Says yaguga, guys. Your eyelashes says yaguga, but thank you. Which part? Ngizobona nani. Ngizobona mase ngishutha sengiqedile sengihilile after like uyena angimtholi. Why mina ngingambona uyaloya lo Melody yazi ubani? Okay, uthi ngimbheke manje. I have the whole day today. And namhlanje kuyascrolleka ifana. Kuyascrolleka. Angimboni guys ngeke. Literally like angimboni. Lona ngimkhiphanga yini? I literally can't find this Melody person. I don't know. Mhlambi mina ofunda ngiyaphuthuma bakithi kuyalena le. I don't have a clear skin. This is just a filter. I do not have a clear skin. How much you think your lobola should be? I don't want to be loboled, bro. I do not want to be loboled. I don't want to get married. I don't want anything nje ehlanganise nokuthi kuyashadwa kwashwacima cha ngiyabonga. You want to lose weight? I am going to lose weight because one thing, do not take... Okay, I read that. I'm behind my comments. Ngoba ngibhizi ngibheka lesi sikhupashi. Angimtholi uMelody. Mina nimbona uMelody. Mina nani ngathi senizongihlanyisa ngekhanda manje. Angimtholi cabanga. Do what? What's that? It's for what? Is it an injection? In like, then what's the point of getting into a relationship if you don't want to get married? I don't know. I'm just having fun, maybe. Nina nifuna ukushada. Akuthina sonke soshada phela. Akuthina nje sonke. I need some toilet paper. Akuthina sonke soshada maturing is actually realizing that, or understanding the whole thing ukuthi akuthina sonke soshada and akuthina sonke esufuna umshado. So ngukhaleli mina. Funny enough, remember we used to date grade 8 Newcastle. Uyaxoxa mama noma into zakho. I also don't want to get married. Yeah, it's normal. Not everyone wants to get married. Not everyone wants to have kids. Not everyone wants to, have a family, Yeah, I don't even want kids. Things to do with umshado, no. Lento yokusika isisu siba sincane so you can fall easily mawudla and lose weight. Oh, Cindy, are you your daddy's daughter, if may I ask? Yep. Are you hosting tonight? Nope. I'm not doing a BBL, Gante. How much more bigger do I want to be or want to look? Like, I'm already just... My ass, every time I'm gaining, my ass just gets fatter. Like, and my ass is real, okay? For those abangas, my ass is real. What I did was just my hips. That's it. And my stomach. But my ass, oh honey, that's so real. It's realer than your best friend. Like, it's the realest. Ooh. Are you still hurt? No. Wenzani flu sis yo eyangibamba ngama chalk slime. Kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi omuhle. Oh ngiyabonga Nkosi yami lapho mina ngiyibona ngiyiphara nje kuyikona nje ukuthi angeke ngihlale ngiba live njalo kumele ngicuphe njalo uma ngiba live sengifaka ama weave Beyonce oh Beyonce. No, I don't have time for that. I saw you in 1010, but I was scared to greet. I don't like people like you guys. Because why are you not greeting me? Because one thing about me, I'm sure khona umuntu oyedwa noma bawuthula asike bangibona live bangibingelela, and then I was never shady. I'm never ever shady. What's your zodiac sign? I'm a Scorpio, baby. I'm a Scorpio. Uhlala Pivel. Ngihlala la emhlabeni kaJesu ngiqashile. Ashili, uqashiwe shem. Awukanti ukhona lana mama. Please fetch me the next time you go hosting. Ngizoze ngihoste nini nje. Yebo. Kodwa amagiga amaningi yebo. I need to check. Probably next week, sometime next week. Mhlaka ba? Okay, ngizoze ngihoste ngo Sunday. Oh, uNkulunkulu mkhulu yo. Ngizoze ngisebenza ngo Sunday next week. Ayibo, sekubani manje Sunday namhlanje? Ngisebenza ngalo Sunday olandelayo. Uzosebenza ngalo Sunday olandelayo. Kwenzakalani manje? Sebeyangilona. Isiphongo. Yazini guys, isiphongo sami yazi angikaze ngayitshela esikhulu yazi isiphongo sami. Good luck baby, thank you love. Hey sisi, hit the gym. Ngiyanqena nje ngiyasho. I-gym inkinga ukuthi sengigene too much weight. Ngizobuye ngiyihlangabeze. Ngizoyihlangabeza manje. This time around, I swear to God, this is my last time. This is my last time. This is my last time. I just have to look good. Like I'm left with 3 months. Okay. Ubani manje? Sikuba manje July. Phelile futhi now. July manje. Hayibo, July manje. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi July. Kodwa singawubali July because usuphelile now. So okay, I still have some time. I have 3 months to look hot. 3 months. So I'm gonna do this liposuction and yeah. Liposuction, yeah. I'm gonna do liposuction only. So I'm gonna do that. Usuphelile July manje. And then if I got my single gym. Ngiyajima. Kodwa ngiyengijima kakhulu because I don't like tiny thighs. Like I like meat, man. I like being thick. I like it so much. Like, oh my God. Mind if I ask how you met Philo? I hope you're okay with my question. Well, I mind your question. Sana. You're wearing some other time sengibhorekile. Okay, so guys, you know how I met my ex. But for now, nah. Tell us how. It's gonna be my birthday. I have to look good. Because I have plans. So it's either I will have like plans, or I'm gonna get myself a big gift. It's either I'm gonna spend money on either traveling or a dinner, or I'm gonna get myself a big gift, like a serious big gift, like something it's me now. So yeah, because the other year, you remember when I did my body like with Dr. Pets the first time, and then that surgery was like 100K, and then last year on my birthday, ngayenza dinner, booked a house, booked everything basically, a chef. I booked. I got those event organizers. Do they call them that? Yeah, but I booked everything, and I spent close to 100. It was actually 100K. It was. Because the dress was the most expensive, though. The dress was the most expensive. Okay, the dress and the accommodation. Because I booked a house for 2 days? For 2 days. Was it 2 days? Or 1 day? 2 days. It was 2 days. So, yeah. And I spent like 100K. So, this year, I'm gonna gift myself with something else. So, kulo 3 months, I gotta work. Noma ngathiwa manje bathiwa na umsebenzi kephi. I gotta work. I gotta like, hello. Hi. Yes. Hello. So I want to gift myself with something. Obviously, it's not gonna be like shopping. You know me. I'm not a. Fuck you when I say what. Fuck you. Block. Msunwe kalkun. How? Ngidakela. Hayibo why angasuseki kanti uyaloya futhi njalo. Sebeyaloya manje. If there's one person ohleki comment yomuntu who's actually being a troll, you also going, my baby. You are also going. If uhleki comment yomuntu or a troll, you also going, my babe. You also going, my babs. Every time I see your IG, I feel so much better because sometimes I feel insecure about my big ass. Oh, cha! How are you feeling insecure on a big ass? Because some men think I like money. Yo, what? You feeling insecure? You feeling insecure on a big ass? Ufuna inkinga zakho. Ngiyayikhalela inkinga zakho. My surgery is early in the morning. Another thing, like early in the morning, like early in the morning. Hello, mamas. Wafika ke Ntuzuma kwakuthi angikhale. Ngifikile uhlala Ntuzuma. Yo, I needed to be home kancane ngithi ukuthi qaqa fast. Ngithola my hugs from my parents. Say that with your real accounts. Ubani manje I am ban. Yo, bayahlupha kula comments wami yo. They don't have balls to come with their real accounts, but they do not have balls. Yeah, cause it was bengakayenzi BBL angithi, so kulo 100K I took out fat from my stomach and then I injected that fat on my hips. I filled in my hip dips because I really didn't have hips. It was and then I filled in those spaces, and then obviously kuzoba khona nama charges azochaza kanjani. Ngifuna ukushaya i-photo shoot ebabayo. Was it painful? Yo, kubuhlungu mfana. I won't lie to you. Ukuthi nje mina nje ngithanda izinto nje kuphela, but it was very painful. And sometimes ilokho njani. Ngiyakwazi ukutolerate pain. Yazi ngakubona kwi-Drift Kana eMsinga ngo-2019 and I got scared to greet lapho. Oh, Muhleni ngiyabonga baby. Yo, ngikhumbula ngisathanda ukuya kwi-Drift Kana. Ngangihambe no-cousin wami uZi. Sihambe. Siyogroove. Yo, umuntu kade athanda izinto shit. Okay, that was just me. Sometimes ngiyakhohlwa ngi-live ukuthi ngi-live, yes, and I just become weird. I do things that I do when I'm actually just chilling alone. Like, why was I whistling right now? Because I do that. The way engihlala ngedwa ngakhona, like there's certain things I do when I'm alone and say and laugh at my own jokes. Sometimes I just do it when I'm live because it still feels like I'm alone. I'm just talking to myself. For how long did it take to heal? Since I was doing my thigh, I did my thighs also. It was like, what? 2 months? It was 2 months. And Vagalabo, oh my God. Oh my God. It's a mental disorder. Okay, Pet. Okay, Pet. Siyabonga. Du. Ungazongidakela amasimba wena. Ungazongidakela. You guys are so mean. It was painful. Why did you unbraid your hair too quickly? Because I got bored, guys. Ngizowenza amanye ama-braids, yo. You guys are so worried, yo. Ngizovele ngilukele ukuthi nginibonise ke. Does your body feel normal after surgery? Yes. You just can't. Sometimes, okay, the first week it's a bit uncomfortable, especially when you did like the sides. Laba benza I'm easing ke ba west laba benza izinqa because now okwazi ulibele ulala ubheke phansi, like you can't use your sides. Awukwazi ukulala ubheke phezulu, awukwazi ukulala ubheke ezansi. I wonder benza njani masuthi uyakhohlwa. I wonder benza njani mawuthi uyakhohlwa. Ukhohliwe ukuthi kade uyenza izinto ku Dr. Pete noma eTurkey. Masuvele uthi uyalala uvuka izinto zakho. I wonder what happens. I want. Ngikuthe khona uthe mina uthe mental disorder. Niyasithuka shem ngesingisi. Niyasithuka ngesingisi shem niyasithuka. Siyaputshuka. What's going on? Network like how you correct yo? Are you lesbian? I'm thinking of actually just becoming lesbian right now. Like, I'm trying to eat some ass and some pussy and some titties and lick some nipples and then I let them spit on my mouth. They're nasty, like, ugh. Lick their fingers, lick their toes, lick everything, and just buy that strap on and fuck that bitch until she squirts. Like, kind of vibe. Ngiyacabanga. Yeah. Maybe it'd be fun if I could just try it out. Maybe. I blocked him. I just blocked him, actually. What do you do on Tuesdays and Thursdays? Nothing. Why? I am lesbian. Can we do fun? I'll have to see if like ukuthi ngicela ukubona i-tattoo on your hand. Tattoo on my hand. Tattoo on my hand. Which tattoo on my hand? Oh, this butterfly one. This one?